UPS guy just left, brought us some new blades. These are 4-degree double hard blades. A lot of people like this size blade or this profile, the 4-degree. I never tried it before, so we'll see how it does in this walnut. Well, that's all right there. That blade, I don't know how good the video will show it, but it was pulling me into the cut. It made me cut faster. I had to accelerate the feeder just a little bit to keep up with it. It was, you know, I kind of slowed down a little bit through this crotch wood, and it was pulling me through it. Had to go a little bit faster than usual. Granted, it is a fresh blade, you know, as sharp as it can get when it comes out of the factory like that. I resharpen them here, but man, it's hard to get that same sharpness you get from the factory whenever Wood-Mizer sends them to you. But I'm really happy with how that went. I'll keep that blade on because the next log we're going to saw is the other creek-baked walnut log, and it's the diameter is a lot bigger than this one, so we'll find out how good it is on that one. The 7-degree blades have never failed me. They do great, but this 4-degree blade, it felt like it cut better, like it went through a lot faster. So this log produced 3 more slabs, which gives us 4 total. And we'll go ahead now and pull them off one by one and see how they look. Here's the first slab, and this is the outside of the tree, so the crotch feeder might be in the underside of it, probably not going to be on this outside part. A little bit of a ripple right here where the crotch wood starts to form, but that might be because I was going too slow for that blade, as once I sped up, man, it's as smooth as a planer, it feels like. I can already see the crotch right there hiding. Man, this never gets old. I don't care how many times you saw up a crotch walnut log. Every time you flip it over and reveal that grain for the first time, man, it's fun every time. It never gets old. Well, let's see what this crotch looks like right here on the top of this slab. And this is the first slab, so these next 2 should be better than this. Fantastic, a nice smooth sawing right there. No washboard effect. A little bit up here, but as I got faster into the cut, as it pulled me in, it went away. So those 4-degree blades, I think you need to saw as fast as you can on them, because the faster you saw, the better it does. Man, this is some pretty stuff right here. We got crotch at the bottom. We have crotch wood at the bottom. Let me bring the camera down here, guys. We got some going on down here at the bottom as well. Right here at the bottom, guys, more crotch wood coming out. I'd say the next slab will show more than this. Right here was this limb that was coming out. So we got some crotch wood forming right here. And some curly, a little bit of curl to it right there as it comes out. Get you some of that. That's ridiculous right there. I was not expecting crotch at the bottom right here as well as the top. Man, I am getting excited here on Friday, guys. I usually don't get too vocal on these videos, but goodness sakes alive, that is nice right there. The crotch comes out and it's curly. You got crotch at the top, and there's 2 slabs left to go. Let's throw some water on this one. What's neat right here is you got this green color because it's freshly sawn, and it's already got this dark chocolate color coming into play right here. The whole thing will turn that color within probably 30 minutes. Check that out. There's your comparison right there. Your natural color when it comes off the mill, and this chocolate brown color that it will turn over time. Man, that's perfect. There's 2 more slabs waiting for us over there after this one.